Hi, my name is Keith Hall. Welcome to another NASE Minute. Now, if it's time to start preparing your tax return or you're thinking about next year's tax return, you may ask yourself, what's the biggest deduction I'm going to have on my tax return? Now, this may be a surprising answer, but if you're a sole proprietor, the biggest deduction most likely you're going to have on your tax return is the business use of your vehicle. Now, also, this is a very easy deduction to miss because it doesn't show up in your business bank account. You have to remember to take down the miles that you drive and convert those into the biggest benefit on your tax return. Now, there are two ways to calculate the deduction for the business use of that car. One is the standard mileage rate method, and the second is the actual expense rate method. Now, the first is you basically keep track of all your business miles. The IRS gives us a cents per mile deduction amount. You multiply the two, and that's your deduction. Piece of cake. The second one, the actual expense rate method, a little more difficult, but not outrageous. You keep track of all the expenses you incur to maintain that car. So gas, oil, repairs, new tires, all of those things. Keep track of all those receipts. You still have to keep track of your business miles, but you figure a percentage of business miles to total miles, multiply that percentage by all those receipts, and that's your deduction. And you can pick whichever one of those gives you the biggest deduction. Now, the common denominator in both of those methods is you have to keep track of your business miles. So if you're not already doing that, start today. Get a spiral notebook, a journal. There are apps on your iPhone that can help you keep track of your miles. But start today, keep track of those miles, and you're going to be surprised at how big that deduction is going to be on your tax return when you fill out all those forms. Now, you may have other questions that we can help with, so bookmark our website at nase.org, and always remember, you're not alone.